Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fauzan Hibransyah, NPM me 2341112. I will explain to the understanding bonds, obligation, and their valuation. Okay, next. What are bonds? Bonds are debt securities issued by governments or corporations to raise funds. When investors buy bonds, they are essentially lending money to the issuer. In return, investor receive regular interest payment known as coupons. At the end of the bond's life, called the maturity dates, the issuer repays the principal's amount to the investors. In Indonesia, common examples of bonds include ORI, retail government bonds, and SBR, saving bonds, which are designed for individual investor. Okay, next. Primary market versus secondary market. This slide explains the two types of bonds markets. And first, the primary markets. In the primary markets, bonds are issued and sold directly by the governments or corporations to investors for the first time. These bonds are usually offered at face value during a specific subscription period. And second, the secondary markets. In the secondary markets, existing bonds are traded among investors. Bond prices in these markets can rise or fall depending on supply demand and market interest rates. It is important to note that not all bonds can be traded in the secondary markets. For example, ORI bonds can be traded while SBR bonds are generally held until maturity. Okay, next. And how are bonds valued? Bond value is calculated using the discounted cash flow method, which estimates the present value of all future cash flow, including coupon payment and principal repayment. And market interest rates play a crucial role. When interest rates increase, bond prices usually decrease, and vice versa. Other important factors included time, maturity, credit risk of the user, and whether the bond is traded at premium or a discount to its face value. Okay, next. Why invest in bonds? First, bond provide stable and predictable income through regular coupon payments. Second bond over capital gain potential, especially when sold in the secondary market at a higher price. Third, government's bonds are relatively safe investment because they are backed by the government. By understanding how bonds work and how they are valued, investor can use bond as a balanced investment instrument to achieve long-term financial goals. And closing statement. In conclusion, a strong understanding of bonds and their valuation helps investor make better and more informed investment decision. Okay, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.